Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, once again on Immaculate Show. Welcome back to this video, which proves to be very powerful. And our topic always, it is around how to make money both with your smartphone and with your internet. Are you on social media? Yes. There is one question that I've gotten several times. Today I'm addressing it, and I know from today we're going to start making money on YouTube. Which question is this? How do I make a YouTube? I have like the way you can see on the screen, and even some people who ask me every day, how do I make money? For you to make money on YouTube, there are various ways that you have to use, but first and foremost, you have to make sure that you have a YouTube. You have to make sure that you set up a YouTube. And remember, I know someone who asked me this question: how do I set up a YouTube? I thought that everybody has a YouTube, so you just start. Yes, everybody has a YouTube. Today I'm taking you through how to make money with YouTube, but you have the steps, and these are almost 7 to 8 steps that you need to follow for you to make money on YouTube. And these are preliminary steps. When I talk about making money on YouTube, I mean you using your smartphone. I don't mean you going to rob a bank, to break a bank, to break your savings for you to start making money. So we are going to be looking at how many steps, at around 10 good steps. 10 good steps for you to follow today, and by the end of 2024 I want you to be already on your road to earn money on YouTube, on your road to earn money online, or you're already earning money online. What are we going to be talking about? You know, I already tell you that more than 3 billion people are now on social media, and on an hourly basis around 2.7 people hourly basis, they always open YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, not to mention Instagram. So these are the steps for you to start with YouTube. We are going to open a YouTube account, and I believe that it is going to help you to start making money online. The first step for you to do, you have to make sure that you go to YouTube. I want you to go with me on your browser, click on YouTube. And the moment you click on YouTube, you should have already, I imagine you should have already downloaded it. It is there. Like the way one of my clients told me that I thought everybody has a YouTube. Yes, if you have a smartphone, it is there. And if it is not there, download it. Click on it. Then after clicking on it, go direct and sign in. Sign in, how do you sign in? You go and click at the rope side on the top, like the way you can see where I'm pointing. You click there. When you click there, use a Google account login. I know some of you don't have one. Some have, but they don't know. And some of you, if you don't have, please go ahead and create it. You can create a Google account by clicking create account and following the instructions. You can see the way the instructions are there. They are going to ask you what you need, which password do you need, the names you're going to put there. They even go ahead and even suggest for you some of the names for your YouTube channel according to the names you would have filled in. That is the first step. Follow instructions and prompts and open your YouTube. The second step is here. You're going to create your channel. Yes, I know you're also seeing me. Most people who have been telling me, but do I need to create a channel? I already have YouTube on my phone. So which channel do you mean? So for you to create the YouTube your channel, every channel, it is not only Immaculate channel. Don't think I just called it a name and say Immaculate Show channel. No, welcome back to our channel. No, it's a channel. For you to get your YouTube channel, once you're signed in, remember the first step, the moment you sign in, click on your profile. How do you find your profile? You can check in the top right. You know, the aim here is to make money online, to make money on YouTube. Every day we see the dollars entering, coming in. The moment you click on your profile icon at the top right, go direct and select create a channel. You can have a YouTube, but you don't have a channel. So just click on create a channel. The moment you click on create a channel, it will give you the Dropbox. Follow and click on get started. When you click on the get started, it is going to say choose to use your name or use custom name to name your channel, then click on create channel. It is as simple as that, like the way you can see it. I'm using this is separate for you to learn with me. Now that you've followed and you've created the channel, I want you to go to step number 3. Step number 3, you customize your channel. Most of us, we don't know what exactly do we mean when we say customize your channel. Go to YouTube Studio. Do you have YouTube Studio? If you want, you can download YouTube Studio, and if you don't have YouTube Studio, you can go direct, like on your channel. As you click, instead of going to view your channel, you go direct to go to YouTube Studio, direct from where you are. So go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon, YouTube Studio. In the customization tab, you're going to find the customization tab, like the way you can see on our screen. Customization tab, you can add a profile picture, you can add a banner image, like the way you can see for Immaculate Show. You can add even channel description. Channel description is very important, because when you get visitors, they will know what exactly your channel is all about. What is it dealing with? And even it makes YouTube in future, this one is what we're going to talk about later, to refer or to bring your videos to the home page, or to even recommend your videos. That is the description. So in the moment you finish putting the description, make sure your profile is and the picture banner reflect the style of your content. Like also we are yet to change our banner, because we feel the banner is too much. So like for Immaculate Show, it is supposed to be more clear. It's making man online. You know why it is still like this? It's because we used to make everything together. We used to get the program of See Where I Came From. We used to I'm in love with a Nigerian man. We used to say, how do you cook? Everything was there. That's what, even to spread love, that's why all those projects were in one. But now we separated them, so we have to make sure that it is also changed. So the step number 4 is very simple and very precise. Add channel keywords. These are the things that we need to know. They are very important. Channel keywords. What are channel keywords? How do you add them? In your studio, go to settings, then go to channel, then basic information. Basic information, when you reach there, they will ask you add key related words. When you talk about key related words, if you're into cooking, like there's one of my friend, one of the greatest women called Debera, she's in cooking. She's going to go there and put keywords that are related to cooking. If you're into travel tour, and you are going to put that. If you're into making money online, education tutorials, maybe you're into review texts and other things, you're going to go there and do that. So all keywords, this is what I wrote down. I said, and add keywords related to your channel, like a channel's niche, such as cooking tutorials, technical reviews, or fitness tips. Keywords help YouTube understand your content, so it can recommend it to the right audience. Because if you don't have the keywords, they might not know your right audience. As I teach you, I'm also learning, and I'm also editing. I'm also doing what is necessary. Then let's go to step number 5. This is when do you do this for us to make money online, for us to make money with the websites, free website, to make money with free organization. There are people who have apps, those apps that we go and get money from there. For us to get access to that, to make sure that we recommend, YouTube recommends us, we have to make sure that we do this, add channel keywords. Let's go to step number 5 is upload your first video. Upload your first video is very important for us. When we are not guided, but you're very lucky that I'm guiding you today. Uploading your first video is very important. It is sort of introduction, and it is always a reference to many of the things. Now that you're coming to the area where at least you're being guided, you know how to search, to research, watch Christine and other people, please prepare for this. Click on create, the camera icon at the top, and select upload video. What you do, you do your videos like this video. I did it before. I did not do Premiere. So you do your videos, then you edit. After editing, you come and upload it. I know you're going to say, Christine, how do I do videos? Simple, in a simple way. A video of YouTube has a ratio of 16:9. So you make sure that this the video's ratio is that, unless it is going to be a short. And remember, so that short also has its own ratio. Facebook has its own ratio. So as you're editing, you make sure you are putting your video into a right ratios. Make you feel comfortable, and even it makes it look nicer, because the moment someone is watching your videos, can be watching it on a TV screen, can be watching it on any type of a gadget. So the moment you put it in right ratios, it will be watched everywhere. So choose a video file to upload, then add title, description, you add thumbnail, you optimize it, and do a lot of things. Do all these ones for you to make sure that your videos are attracted. So set the visibility. If you set it to be public, if you set it to be unlisted, if you set it to be private, then click publish. You guys, you need to master this. Let's go to step number 6. I don't want this video to be very long. Set up a channel section and playlist. This is very important, because every time you might find, like for example, I give you an example of a market show. We have how to make money on social media, how to make money on this, how to make money on this. So you find yourself, you are having different types of playlists. So you set them and the sections. Then number 7, you enable more monetization. This monetization is optional, especially if you've already reached 1,000 subscribers, you've already reached 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This one will come later. What I want you to do right now, I want you to concentrate more on the first 6. Let me go to the last and the last 2, because I'm not going to dwell more on this, because I want you to first sit on the first six steps, such that you can reach the threshold, such that you can reach the time for you to make money. I want you after, and don't even mind about enabling the monetization, because you are just starting. I want you to promote your channel. Share your videos in different platforms, but make sure the moment you're sharing videos, you are sharing them in a wise way, because you don't need to attract individuals who are just going to come, click, and go out. For you to share your videos on different media platforms, forums, and other platforms makes you gain more viewers, more subscribers, and even it brings you engagement, and you will rush to reach your threshold. Last but not least, I want you to put it in my mind. I'm just giving you as a bonanza this one. Put it in your mind that you need to analyze your video performances. These are the steps for you to make money online. Please continue analyzing how did it work. Make sure that you put, even if you still have one video on your channel, analyze it, see where can you improve. Why did it work like this? How can I go like this? This is what you're supposed to do as a beginner. Now, before the end of 2025, I want you to follow these steps from 1 to 6. Leave the last 2. The last 2, I'll be bringing them in details for me to make sure that at least you already have, even if you have 50 subscribers, we can start from there. Thank you very much, you guys. Let's go and make money in this remaining month of 2024, even in the coming year. If you've not had any YouTube channel, this is your opportunity. And if you want me to help you, please go to the comment section, write it there. I'm right here. This is an offer for you.